We can see that there are two pages in this project. Besides the home page, the second page is a details page which is designed to display specific information. Then, how do we achieve the effect of clicking on the first page to jump to the second page? Such an effect is achieved by adding actions when a given component was clicked. First off, let's select the component the user will click on, and we can see an interaction section on the right side component bar. Within Momen, we can configure various logic and actions in this section. Now, let's add an action to jump to the detail page when this component is clicked. Then, we will transfer the parameter of this list data's ID to the details page through link data, indicating which component we will click on. Now, let's take a look at what it's like in the mirror. As we can see, the detail page will pop up when clicked and display different content based on its ID.